Um, Hello, welcome to the Intoxicated Flamingo. I am still a little bit on a little hiatus type thing, I guess it would be called. But I do have some belches I could put together and throw out there. I'm sorry, I'm on my phone and I'm just kind of winging things right now. So Pebbles and I have been out shopping, and there was a story I wanted to share with you guys that happened during this little hiatus thing, and I knew she would love it. So I got to share. So it does involve my belches. So I'm at a friend's birthday party and she did big shindig. I mean, it was great. And I had several beers. And at one point I was talking to a friend and her boyfriend was standing in front of me and I belched so loud. And he turned around and he's a big guy. Okay. So he turns around, he looks at me, Miss Jen, was that you? God, I thought that went through my back and right through my gut. Oh my God, I was laughing so hard. He said it's like just reverberated right through him. Well, then later as the day goes, I've had Carter apparently needs out. I was doing, they were doing a pinata. It was full of shots and everything. So when we get done with that, my husband's staying behind me. I have a gentleman next to me and his wife next to him. And again, just big old burp. And this lady turned to her husband. Oh my gosh, have some manners or something along that line. He he saw it wasn't me, it was her pointing at me. My husband leans in. Was that you? Yeah, that was me. I knew she'd love it. So, anyways, enjoy the following belches, and I should be back. Let's just still plan on July 2nd. I may get back a little sooner. We'll see. So, enjoy. Oh my gosh. All right. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
My camera.
That reminds me.
What?
That reminds me. The other night I was sitting on the couch, right? And I don't know what I ate or anything, but I'm telling you right now, I tell you, Jennifer, I would have made you so proud. I was surprised. But I let out a burp that would put you to shame.
Wow.
It was deep. It was really deep, like a, kind of like you know how you do it, and it seems like
it came from my toes.
Something is coming out of you.
Yeah,
it was deep like that, but it was really long.
You're gonna have to start recording yourself.
I mean, I didn't know it was coming, and the thing about it is like I literally probably could have said a sentence or two.
Wow.
That's how long it was.
Wow.
I have never done that in my whole life.
But you hang out with me?
Ever. Me and my husband looked at each other, and I'm like, what in the heck was that?
That's funny. That's funny.
He said, I don't know, but I was like, I was like, man, I think I've waited my whole life to do that.
You were saving it up. Oh my gosh, that's funny.
And all I could think about was, oh my God, I wish Jennifer was here. She would love it.
She'd be so proud.
I was shocked. I was shocked.
Oh.
Because I didn't feel it coming.
Yeah, it was just, I hate those ones. It just like surprised you. You're like, oh shit.
I'm looking at my husband, and the burp is just coming out. And the feeling afterwards, it's like, oh God, a weight was lifted.
I've lost 5 pounds. It was just air.
I'm not kidding. I felt like getting on the scale. It was like, wow.
Oh.
It was crazy.
See, that's why I'm saying one of these days I'm going to have one of those big burps, and I'm just going to be like a balloon deflating, and I'll be back to my,
I think
my
that's
size.
That's why I'm so fluffy. Because I've been holding.
You've been holding them in. You got to start letting them loose, girl. All right. So hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and we'll see you later.